Investing is often sold as a simple way to get rich. Just make a few smart moves and you'll be set for life, right? The ads, the overnight success stories, and social media hype all make it sound effortless. But here's the truth. Investing isn't a golden ticket to wealth without effort, risk, or patience. There are some hard realities that every investor needs to understand before getting involved. In this video, we're going to break down these uncomfortable truths so that you can approach investing with a clear and realistic mindset. Understanding these realities will make you a better investor, help you to avoid costly mistakes, and put you in a position to build lasting wealth. No matter when you start investing, you'll almost certainly look back and think, I wish I'd started sooner. This is an unavoidable truth. The power of compound interest is strongest the more time that you give it, and every year you delay investing is another year you miss out on potential gains. Even those who start in their 20s might regret not starting in their teens, and those who wait in their 40s or 50s will usually find themselves playing catch-up, needing to invest significantly more just to make up for lost time. The longer your money is invested, the harder it works for you. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time to start is today. Many people think they'll start investing once they have more money. But the truth is, you'll never feel like you have extra cash just sitting around. There will always be other expenses, bills, vacations, entertainment, emergencies that seem more urgent. Successful investors don't wait until it feels easy. They prioritize investing even when it's inconvenient. That means cutting back on unnecessary spending and making investing a non-negotiable habit. If you wait for the perfect moment, you'll be waiting forever. A common excuse for not investing is waiting for the right time. Maybe the economy is shaky, interest rates are high, or there's an election coming up. The truth? There is never a time without some uncertainty. Markets are always fluctuating, and there will always be reasons to hesitate. Ironically, times of uncertainty can present some of the best opportunities for investors. Volatility creates opportunities to buy assets at a discount, setting you up for long-term gains. So instead of waiting for the perfect conditions, which don't exist, focus on a disciplined long-term investment strategy. At any given time, one investment strategy may seem like the golden ticket, whether it's real estate, crypto, tech stocks, or index funds. But no strategy outperforms forever. Markets are cyclical, and what works in one economic climate may fail in another. Chasing trends can also be a dangerous game. By the time you jump onto a hot investment, the biggest gains may already be gone. Instead of constantly switching strategies, successful investors focus on diversification and long-term stability rather than chasing short-term wins. Seeing your portfolio drop 20%, 30% or more can be scary. It may feel like years of progress have disappeared overnight. But market downturns are completely normal. On average, the stock market experiences a 20% decline about every 5 years. If you have a solid financial foundation, steady income, emergency savings, and a long-term plan, a market dip is just a temporary setback. In fact, downturns can be a great time to invest more while prices are lower. Panicking and selling at a loss is one of the worst mistakes investors can make. It's easy to feel like a financial wizard when your portfolio is growing. Maybe your stocks doubled or your home value skyrocketed. But a rising market tends to lift everything, and gains don't necessarily mean that you've made brilliant decisions. Short-term success can create a false sense of security. Some people start overspending or making riskier bets, assuming that the good times will last forever. But remember, markets go through cycles, and what goes up can come down just as quickly. Smart investors stay grounded and stick to their long-term plans rather than getting swept up in short-term excitement. The bottom line? Investing isn't a quick path to riches, and it comes with its fair share of challenges. But by understanding these realities, you can avoid common pitfalls, stay focused on long-term growth, and build real wealth over time. Remember, the key is to start early, stay consistent, and not to let fear or overconfidence derail your strategy. And remember, someone you know probably needs to hear this as well. If you found today's video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to learn about the importance of looking poor, then check out this video. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.